Okay, here we are. Today's chicken Caesar salad wrap. Okay, here's where I thought I had more rotisserie chicken than I do, so I am supplementing with some sliced turkey deli meat, which you can use in place of rotisserie chicken, or of course use leftover chicken, roasted chicken, anything will work. Give all this a good mix, and I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. I think I'll add a little garlic powder as well. And then I'll show you what happens next. Little salt, little bit of fresh cracked black pepper, garlic powder. Use as much or as little as you like, or you can omit it altogether. Stir it up, get all those seasonings well incorporated. And now I'm going to add already just bottled Caesar dressing, and you can add whatever kind you like. This is what I happen to have in the fridge, so we're going to go ahead and use it. It is creamy Caesar. Just mix it up and see how nice and creamy this salad is. Then I'll adjust. I'll add more if I think it's needed. You can, of course, do whatever you like. Make it as saucy as you like. I probably will add just a little bit more. And now to finish this off, I will go ahead and add grated Parmesan cheese, and plenty of it. Another good mix. And we are now ready to wrap. Keep this in the fridge covered for up to 2 days. The romaine is sturdy enough that it will still be crunchy. I'll show you how to wrap the wrap next. Okay, this is a grande flour tortilla, and I have found the most successful way, for me at least, is to warm the tortilla up in a microwave just for a couple of seconds so it's pliable, so it's easier to wrap the chicken Caesar salad wrap. So we don't want to overstuff, but we don't want to understuff. So I'm going to say probably a cup of the chicken Caesar salad, and then we just work it like a burrito. 2 sides up, envelope fold, and then work it around just like that. There you have it. I'm going to go ahead and do another couple, 3 of these, and then see you back in a minute. I'm going to wrap each one of these. I did get 4, by the way, which is really more than I expected. I'm going to wrap each one of these in a sheet of aluminum foil, and then pop them into the fridge until we're ready to eat. These are really good, a grab-and-go lunch. Pack them in your picnic basket. The kids are going to love them. I wrap them in foil, and then they're ready to serve when you're ready to eat. Hope you like this recipe. Have a great day. Bye. Follow me for more easy, tasty recipes. I'll see you next time.